A true story, and a silent warning. Have you ever felt like your body is trying to scream at you, but in silence? That's what happened to one of my patients, Mr. Tam, a 62-year-old man, who walked into my clinic one morning looking exhausted. His face looked pale, and his shoulders sagged, a telltale sign that something was wrong. He complained of feeling constantly fatigued, experiencing mood swings, and waking up 3 to 4 times every night just to urinate. At first, he dismissed it as just getting older. After all, he thought, isn't that what happens as we age? We become a little slower, a little more tired, a little more fragile. But what if those signs of aging were actually warnings, subtle but serious signals that your body is struggling? When I ran some tests, the reality was far more alarming than he had ever anticipated. His blood sugar was dangerously high. He had undiagnosed diabetes. His kidney function had dropped by more than 40%. And the only symptom? Nocturia, frequent nighttime urination. That day I told him, frequent nighttime urination isn't just an inconvenience. It's your body trying to tell you something much more serious is happening. Is nocturia a small issue? Not quite. Many people dismiss nocturia as just part of getting older, especially for postmenopausal women or those who drink too much water before bed. But let's dig deeper into why this isn't just a minor issue. Nocturia is often a multifactorial condition, meaning there are several factors at play. It's connected to kidney overload and impaired filtration, antidiuretic hormone, ADH dysfunction, which leads to poor fluid retention at night, blood sugar spikes at night, pulling water into the urine, sleep disturbances, disrupting hormonal balance and bladder reflexes. But the consequences of nocturia are far from minor. Here's what can happen. Increased stroke risk. Sudden drops in blood pressure when waking up in the middle of the night can cause strokes or heart attacks. The shock to your system when you wake suddenly to urinate is more than just a groggy inconvenience. Chronic sleep deprivation. We often underestimate the effects of poor sleep, but it's linked to heart failure, depression, and even early dementia. Your brain needs restorative sleep to function, and nocturia disrupts that process every night. Mood disorders, anxiety, irritability, and depression are closely tied to broken sleep cycles. Every time you wake up, you're robbing your body of the deep, restful sleep it needs to recharge. So no, nocturia is not something to brush off lightly. It's a sign your body is out of balance and needs attention. Vegetables. The overlooked therapy. In today's world, we often look to pills or surgeries as the answer to our health problems. We're quick to pop a pill or get a quick fix from modern medicine, but we've forgotten something that's been around for centuries. Food is medicine. And when it comes to nocturia, vegetables are the unsung heroes. Did you know certain vegetables can boost ADH activity to reduce nocturia, lower nighttime blood sugar to reduce osmotic diuresis, excessive urination, act as gentle diuretics and anti-inflammatories, giving your kidneys a much-needed break? But not all vegetables are equal. Let's explore 3 powerful science-backed vegetables that will help restore your kidneys, regulate your hydration, and safely reduce nocturia. Common mistakes in treating nocturia. Before we explore these powerful vegetables, I want to highlight 3 common mistakes that I see in over 80% of my patients. Drastically cutting water intake at night. Some people believe that if they drink less water before bed, it will reduce urination. While this may seem logical, it can lead to dehydration and even cause increased blood sugar, making the problem worse. Self-prescribing diuretics. While diuretics may help with fluid retention, they can deplete essential nutrients like potassium, worsening kidney function in the long run. Failing to manage evening blood sugar levels. Uncontrolled blood sugar is a direct contributor to excessive nighttime urination. People with diabetes, especially, need to carefully manage their glucose levels. The real solution? It's not about drinking less water. Instead, it's about eating foods that support your body's natural ability to regulate hydration, glucose, and kidney function. Sleep, the ultimate health pillar. Did you know you can survive 30 days without food or 3 days without water? But just 3 nights of poor sleep can devastate your nervous system, immune system, and even your heart. And guess what? Nocturia is the silent thief of deep, restorative sleep. Every time you wake up to urinate, your body is disrupted, preventing you from getting the deep, quality sleep that your body craves. So, tackling nocturia isn't just about fewer trips to the bathroom. It's about taking back your health, starting with the most basic and most crucial pillar of your health: sleep. What is nocturia and why does it happen? Medically, nocturia is defined as waking up once or more times during the night to urinate. It sounds like a simple problem, but it's not just an annoying inconvenience. It's a symptom of deeper imbalances happening within your body. Under normal circumstances, at night, kidneys reduce filtration to conserve water. ADH secretion increases to help the body retain water. Deeper sleep stages suppress the urination reflex, allowing the body to rest uninterrupted. When any of these systems fail, whether due to kidney disease, hormonal changes, or blood sugar imbalances, the result is excess urination at night, disturbing your sleep. The 4 systems that control nighttime urination and how they fail kidneys. The kidneys are responsible for filtering waste and excess water from your bloodstream. But in conditions like chronic kidney disease or diabetes, they lose the ability to concentrate urine at night. This leads to frequent urination. Pituitary gland and ADH hormone. ADH helps your body retain water. But as we age, or if we suffer from sleep disorders like insomnia or neurodegenerative diseases, e.g., Parkinson's, ADH secretion decreases, leading to more frequent nighttime urination. Pancreas and blood sugar. After eating, high blood sugar can cause glucose to enter the urine. This pulls water with it, leading to more urination. This is especially common in type 2 diabetes. Brain and central nervous system. Deep sleep suppresses the bladder reflex, but poor sleep quality or insomnia fails to do so. This means you'll wake up and feel the urge to urinate even during the night. Why is nocturia dangerous? Nocturia isn't just a bother. It can seriously affect your health. Higher risk of stroke and heart-related events due to sudden blood pressure drops during nighttime awakening. Cognitive decline, as disrupted sleep leads to poor memory consolidation and increases the risk of Alzheimer's. Increased cardiac strain. Each time you wake up to urinate, your heart rate spikes, putting undue pressure on your heart. Over time, this can increase the risk of heart failure. The link between diabetes and nocturia. In people with type 2 diabetes, nocturia is common. Here's why. Osmotic diuresis. High glucose pulls water into the urine, leading to frequent urination. Tubular dysfunction. Chronic kidney damage causes the kidneys to be unable to concentrate urine properly. ADH suppression. Stress and disrupted hormones lead to lower ADH secretion, making urination worse. Disrupted circadian rhythm. Poor insulin-melatonin balance interferes with your sleep cycle. This creates a cycle of increasing nocturia and kidney damage, making it crucial to control blood sugar levels and kidney function. The pathological cycle. Nocturia. Insomnia. Kidney decline. Hyperglycemia. Nocturia doesn't just disrupt your sleep, it creates a vicious cycle. Sleep loss. Increased cortisol, raised blood sugar. High blood sugar, kidney damage, more nocturia. Without intervention, this cycle leads to organ damage, chronic fatigue, and a severe decline in quality of life. Conclusion: nocturia is a red flag. Nocturia isn't just a minor issue. It's a sign your internal systems are out of balance. Your hormones, kidneys, and nervous system are all telling you that something needs to change. Cucumber, a functional remedy. Cucumber may seem simple, but it's a powerful tool in combating nocturia. Hydrates smartly without overloading your kidneys. Boosts ADH production for better nighttime fluid control. Gentle diuretic, flushing excess sodium without dehydration. Best use: between 3 p.m. 6 p.m. for optimal results. Zucchini, the hydration hero. Zucchini is packed with water, potassium, and magnesium, making it a perfect remedy for nocturia. Helps hydrate without stressing the kidneys. Balances electrolytes to reduce nighttime fluid retention. Regulates blood sugar, keeping your kidneys from overworking. Best use: in your afternoon or early evening meals. Spinach, the anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Spinach, with its rich magnesium and antioxidant content, helps to regulate blood sugar, reduce kidney inflammation, promote deep, restorative sleep. Best use: between 4 to 7 p.m. Summary of the super vegetables. Cucumber, mild diuretic, supports kidneys. Zucchini, electrolyte balance, stabilizes blood sugar. Spinach, anti-inflammatory, stabilizes insulin and promotes sleep. With regular use, you'll experience a 40–70% reduction in nighttime urination, improved sleep quality, and healthier kidneys, all without relying on medications. 7-day meal plan for nocturia. Support day. Suggested meal: Monday, cucumber salad, plus boiled eggs, plus chia seeds. Tuesday, spinach and mushroom soup, plus brown rice. Wednesday, stir-fried zucchini with ginger, plus grilled chicken. Thursday, spinach smoothie with apple and flaxseed. Friday, zoodles, sautéed in olive oil. Saturday, lemon cucumber salad, plus baked salmon. Sunday, mixed soup, cucumber, zucchini, spinach. Extra tips for maximum results: drink warm mineral water in the morning to detox kidneys. Take short walks after meals to help digestion. Avoid large water intake after 8 p.m. Go to bed before 10:30 p.m. if possible. Final thoughts: you don't have to suffer with nocturia. By incorporating 3 simple, nutrient-packed vegetables into your daily routine, you can improve your sleep and reclaim your health. Starting tonight, let spinach, zucchini, and cucumber guide you to a more restful, rejuvenating sleep. Your kidneys and your sleep will thank you.